Let's explore the question mark quantifier in regular expressions. The question mark quantifier allows you to match 0 or 1 occurrence of a preceding element, making patterns optional. It simplifies the process of dealing with optional elements in the text you are trying to match. The basic syntax involves placing a question mark after the element you want to make optional. The pattern becomes element question mark. This means it matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding element. Consider the regular expression pattern, COLOU question mark R. It matches both COLOR and COLOUR. The U question mark makes the letter U optional. Thus, the pattern will match the American and British spellings of the word color. The matches are COLOR and COLOUR. Let's examine a character class example. The regular expression pattern bracket open 0-9 bracket close question mark bracket open a -z bracket close plus searches for strings that start with an optional digit, followed by one or more lowercase letters. The bracket open 0-9 bracket close question mark part makes the digit optional. Therefore, it matches APPLE, 5 APPLE, CAT, and 9 DOG. Now let's look at an example using groups. The regular expression pattern parenthesis open https question mark / parenthesis close question mark exam matches exam http / exam and https exam. The group parenthesis open https question mark / parenthesis close question mark makes the entire protocol part optional. It does not match FTP // exam because the pattern specifically looks for HTTP or HTTPS. In this Python example, we use the RE module to find all occurrences of the pattern COLOU question mark are in the given text. First, import the RE module. Define the pattern as RCOLOU question mark R. Define the text as, I like the color red and color blue. Use re.findAll to find all matches of the pattern in the text. The output will be a list containing COLOR and COLOUR. The question mark quantifier is commonly used in scenarios like matching optional protocols in URLs with the pattern parenthesis open https question mark / parenthesis close question mark. It is also useful for matching optional plurals with the pattern FILES question mark to match both the singular and plural forms of a word. Here are the key points to remember. The question mark symbol makes patterns optional. It matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding element. The question mark quantifier works effectively with characters, groups, and character classes, offering versatility in defining regular expression patterns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.